Hi, today we're at a commercial building here. It's an e-commerce brand and they're currently having a rodent problem, noticing some bite marks in their products, and they gave us a call to see what Purely Nature's Way could do for them. So we're going to walk you through exactly the problem and the solution on how we solve it. Now we're inside the warehouse of a e-commerce business that sells on Amazon, and they specialize in grass seeds up here. They got fertilizers right here. They got organics down here, and they have some various livestock feed for farm type of animals. So one thing we noticed here, and they noticed as well, is that there's actually bite marks within these bags. So they went throughout all this inventory and they noticed this, and we are here to essentially solve this issue and make sure that nothing really leaks out like that. So now we're just going to walk you around some basic areas and show you what we look out for, some standard protocol that we do, and just some typical hot spots that you would find a warehouse like this to have rodents potentially leaking into your facility. At the loading dock in our warehouse, and back here is a hotbed for any rodents coming in. So here we have a overhead door, and between the overhead door railing and the actual wall, you'll notice gaps. If you have a garage at your house, I'm sure you are well aware of this, but you'll typically have gaps in there for rodents to come through, as well as your platform that you actually have a loading dock on. So this down here is about 1 inch to 1.5 inches worth of space for a rodent to come through. So what we would do in this area is set up traps to basically stop that flow of traffic coming through from the outdoors into your warehouse. This is a bit of a unique situation, as there was an accident actually on the outside of this warehouse where you can see it left the wall a little indented. So in the meantime, before they get it repaired, you will actually have gaps in there that are greater than 1/4 inch that are bringing in rodents. So what we would do to cut that traffic down right here is bring in some indoor traps, set them up so that way it can cut down the problem actually at the source. So in the warehouse, we're now back in the electrical room. One thing we noticed here is that there's a vent right through the floor. So when I go back here, I can actually feel cold air coming in. So we know on the other side of this, there's some sort of exposure or some sort of gap that's actually having that cold air come through it. Now we're in the kitchen area of a e-commerce warehouse. So back here, what we're looking for is typically anything like droppings or signs of chewing. So that could be anything like a bag of chips or droppings on the ground. For this particular building, we found immediately going through the cabinets a lot of droppings in here. So here we have your typical cleaning material set up where on top of everything there's actually droppings. So you can see, if you notice that, seeing it on top of items that you consistently use, then you know you got a pretty live problem because they're fresh. So what we do around here is go throughout and set up various humane traps to take care of your issue. Rodents are one of the many pests that we treat for here at Purely Nature's Way. Today I was hoping to just walk you through this commercial building that we have here and kind of give you just a rundown on what we look out for and how we troubleshoot some different scenarios. If you're in the Vermont or New Hampshire area and want a all-natural pest solution, make sure to check out purelynaturesway.com. Thank you.